Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that aims to simplify your everyday cooking, the GreenPan Chatham 11-inch everyday frying pan skillet. We've all been there, staring at a cabinet full of pans, wondering which one will actually perform as advertised. GreenPan promises a healthy, durable, and versatile skillet with their Chatham collection, and we're here to put that to the test. Let's start with what really sets GreenPan apart, their Thermolon healthy ceramic non-stick coating. This is a big selling point, and for good reason. It's completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This means you don't have to worry about those harmful chemicals leaching into your food, especially if you accidentally overheat the pan, which is a common concern with traditional non-stick cookware. GreenPan claims it will never release toxic fumes, which is a significant peace of mind for anyone who cooks regularly. Adding to the durability of this non-stick coating is a diamond reinforcement. This isn't just a buzzword. In practice, it means the pan is metal utensil safe. You can use your spatulas and forks without fear of scratching the surface, which is a game changer for many home cooks who are tired of babying their non-stick pans. This diamond-reinforced coating is designed for incredible durability, aiming to stand up to the demands of daily use. The pan itself features a tough hard anodized body. Hard anodizing is a process that makes aluminum stronger and more resistant to corrosion and scratching. This construction is designed to be scratch-resistant and built to handle the rigors of a busy kitchen, from searing to sautéing. One of the most versatile aspects of this pan is its oven and broiler safety. The skillet itself can go up to a whopping 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a whole new world of cooking possibilities, allowing you to start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, or vice versa. Think beautifully roasted chicken or perfectly seared vegetables. The included glass lid is also oven-safe, though at a slightly lower temperature of 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This lid is a nice touch, allowing you to easily monitor your food without lifting it and losing heat, which is crucial for even cooking and retaining moisture. Cleanup is often the bane of any cooking experience, but GreenPan addresses this by making the Chatham skillet dishwasher safe. This is a huge convenience for those days when you just want to load it up and forget about it. However, for maintaining the longevity of the non-stick coating, hand washing is generally recommended for most non-stick pans, and while this one is dishwasher safe, we'll explore how well it holds up in the long run. The handle is a matte stainless steel, and it's riveted for extra strength. The ergonomic design aims to provide a secure and comfortable grip, which is essential when you're maneuvering a hot pan, especially with the added weight of food. The pan also features drip-free edges, designed to make pouring sauces or melted butter a cleaner affair, minimizing those annoying drips down the side of the pan. Now, let's talk about stovetop compatibility. This pan is suitable for all stovetops except induction. This is an important detail to note, as induction cooktops are becoming increasingly popular. So, if you have an induction range, this pan unfortunately won't be compatible. The size of this pan is an 11-inch everyday frying pan. GreenPan explicitly mentions that this is a covered pan with helper handles and not meant to be measured in quarts. This means it's designed for general-purpose cooking, from frying eggs to searing a steak to sautéing a medley of vegetables. The description highlights its versatility, claiming you can fry, sear, braise, and deglaze with non-stick ease, which is quite an ambitious claim for any pan. So, what are the pros of the GreenPan Chatham skillet? First and foremost, the healthy ceramic non-stick coating is a major advantage, offering peace of mind regarding toxic fumes and chemicals. The diamond reinforcement adds genuine durability, making it metal utensil safe and potentially extending its lifespan. The hard anodized body offers robustness and scratch resistance. Its high oven and broiler safety for the pan itself opens up many cooking techniques. The dishwasher safe feature adds significant convenience. The ergonomic handle and drip-free edges are thoughtful design elements. On the flip side, what are the cons? The most significant limitation is its incompatibility with induction cooktops. For households with induction stoves, this pan is a non-starter. While the non-stick coating is marketed as durable, like all non-stick surfaces, its longevity will eventually be tested by prolonged high heat use or less than careful handling. The lid's oven safety limit is lower than the pan's, which might be a minor inconvenience for certain recipes. Finally, while it's dishwasher safe, to truly maximize the life of any non-stick coating, gentler handwashing is often the best practice. In conclusion, the GreenPan Chatham 11-inch everyday frying pan skillet is a compelling option for those seeking a healthier, more durable non-stick alternative. Its robust construction, versatile oven-safe capabilities, and convenient cleanup features make it a strong contender for your daily cooking needs. Just be sure to check your stovetop compatibility before making the purchase. It's a well-rounded pan that aims to make everyday cooking easier and safer. Link in the description.